Hello doers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we will see how to send POS mail via point of sale app. So let's see about that, how to work it. You can see here module DPOS send by mail. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to point of sale app, go to orders, go to anyone like a furniture shop 03 number. And see here this button send by mail. Now click on and see here is to Anita Arrival subject Dear Anita. Here is the POS order furniture shop, this number and amount from my companies. Now click on this send button and see here this mail sent successfully. And if you want to see order number, then easily click on this view order. If you found this helpful, do it like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching this